Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Looking for a powerful productivity tablet that's sleek, smart, and surprisingly affordable? Meet the Honor Magic Pad 3, a feature-packed device with a stunning 13.3-inch 3.2K display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance, AI-powered tools, and a massive battery, all starting at just 2,999 yuan, around $300 in the UK, or $409 in the US. In this video, we'll dive into everything from design and display to smart accessories and next-gen AI features that boost your workflow. So stay tuned till the end. You won't want to miss what this tablet can really do. Let's dive right in. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Honor Magic Pad 3 comes in 3 stunning colors: Moonshadow White, Floating Gold, and Starry Sky Gray. The one I have here is Starry Sky Gray, a subtle and elegant light gray shade. The tablet features an integrated design with a metal mid-frame and back panel crafted using a refined AG matte finish that enhances its premium texture. The most striking design update is the new camera module. Unlike the previous round layout, it now adopts a bold square shape. Despite its massive 12,450 mAh battery, the tablet weighs just 595 grams and measures only 5.79 millimeters thick, making it impressively slim and lightweight for its capacity. On the front, the Honor Magic Pad 3 features a vibrant 13.3-inch LCD display with a crisp 3.2K resolution and an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. The bezels are well controlled, giving the impression of a four-sided uniform design to the naked eye. When it comes to brightness, the screen performs impressively. The center peak brightness reaches around 840 nits, while the average brightness across 9 points is 765 nits. The maximum brightness variation across the entire screen is 152 nits. Under stimulated conditions, brightness can exceed 1000 nits. As expected with LCD panels, there's a slight dark angle deviation. This tablet also exhibits some of the common drawbacks of LCD material, which are difficult to avoid, especially when the focus is on eye comfort. This time, Honor has integrated its AI vision relief technology. While using apps like video players, ebooks, and document viewers, the tablet intelligently adjusts visual details based on your usage time to reduce eye strain caused by refractive tension. Here's an example. When AI vision relief is off, the text appears black. Once activated, it shifts to blue with a subtle yellow outline for improved visual comfort. The Magic Pad 3 also includes an AI dry eye friendly mode. It intelligently monitors your blink rate and provides visual feedback in the Oasis Eye Protection settings. At the bottom of that menu, you'll find an option called Motion Soothing Display. Yes, the tablet even supports motion relief display technology. This is especially helpful if you're using the tablet while in a moving vehicle. Another thoughtful addition is wet hand touch support. Whether you're cooking or washing dishes, you won't need to dry your hands to interact with the screen. It's a small feature that adds a lot of convenience. Finally, the audio setup includes 4 speaker openings on each side, totaling 8 speakers. Paired with Honor's 3rd-generation spatial audio technology, the tablet delivers a rich and immersive audiovisual experience. When it comes to performance, the Honor Magic Pad 3 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a flagship processor we've tested extensively. If you're curious about its real-world performance, feel free to check out our previous videos on other Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 devices on our channel. Now, let's talk accessories. The new Smart Touch keyboard is crafted from skin-friendly PU leather, offering a premium texture that's also resistant to fingerprint smudges. It magnetically attaches to the tablet with a satisfying snap, thanks to pogo pin connectivity. The keyboard features a 1.6mm key travel, providing a comfortable typing experience, and includes a full-range, pressure-sensitive glass touchpad, giving off the vibe of a compact laptop. Just keep in mind that the keyboard alone weighs 460 grams. When combined with the tablet, the total weight is close to 2 caddies, roughly 1 kilogram plus, so it's still portable, but with a solid heft. As for the stylus, it still supports the Magic Pencil 3. However, this time around, Honor has also introduced an upgraded AI Magic Pen with a unique demo flip mode. Perfect for presentations, this feature lets you long press the flat side of the pen to activate a red pointer on the screen. You can then swipe up or down to change slides, ideal for delivering PPTs on the go. We tested this feature and found it works even within short video interfaces, making it a versatile tool for both work and content creation. When it comes to large tablets, productivity is the key focus, and the Honor Magic Pad 3 does a commendable job in this area. We tested it thoroughly, and it continues to enhance its office and learning features. Take AI ink restoration, for example. You can snap a photo of a test paper with your phone, drag it into the Glory Handwritten Notes app on the tablet, tap the AI icon on the left, and select Ink Restore via the Magic Pen. The image is then converted into editable text. Using the lasso tool, you can resize, recolor, or reposition elements, essentially turning your scanned paper into a fully editable digital worksheet, perfect for revision and practice. The system also supports intelligent error correction and smart suggestions. If you make a typo while jotting down notes, the AI will highlight and suggest corrections. Just tap the dotted line to fix it instantly. For tricky words you struggle to write, it even allows replacement with Pinyin, addressing the issue of character recall during handwriting. Now, while this is impressive, it's not flawless. Some users might still input incorrect Pinyin, so there's room for refinement. However, features like AI inspiration, designed for content expansion, summarization, and editing, are where it shines. What really sets it apart is the deep integration with popular apps. Whether it's short video platforms, ebook readers, or microblogging apps, you can long press on any Chinese text to generate expanded or polished versions using AI. No need for endless copy pasting between apps. It's all streamlined with a single tap. The Magic Pad 3 also offers a one-click AI-powered PPT generation tool. For example, when we asked it to create an introductory presentation for a white question tech video, we simply chose a template and it instantly produced a full 20-page PowerPoint deck. For best results, it's recommended to provide some content or an outline. This ensures the generated slides are more accurate and aligned with your topic. Beyond this, mobile-to-tablet integration is seamless. You can sync content like test paper photos between devices and even swipe up with 3 fingers to continue using apps across screens. Clipboard sharing and cross-device copy-paste are also supported. As for Apple ecosystem integration, while Mac isn't currently supported, the Magic Pad 3 can connect with iPhones via Honor's connectivity tools, allowing you to send and receive files and photos with ease. The Honor Magic Pad 3 is priced starting at 2,999 yuan in China. When converted, that's approximately £307 in the UK and around $419 in the US. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Honor Magic Pad 3, a powerful productivity tablet with flagship performance, smart AI features, and a sleek, lightweight design. Priced from just 2,999 yuan, around £307 in the UK or $419 in the US, it offers impressive value for students, professionals, and creators alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, follow us on Twitter for the latest tech news, gadget deals, and upcoming reviews. And if you haven't seen it yet, we just uploaded our Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 in-depth review. Check it out now.